Okay, here's the paper. We want to do the peacock. We want the pattern show. In order to do that, we have to have the pattern face up. So when we fold, the bottom will be inside. The pattern will be inside. Okay, just like to do in the crane, we fold in a triangle. Then again in a smaller triangle. Hold one, flip up, put the fingers in, hold it, push the other side down, line to the point and get a perfect square. Repeat it on the other side. Okay. Now fold the side to the center, just like what we do for the crane. Open the whole things up. Follow that little line, just hold it like this. That will help you easy to reinforce the line inward. Now you got a diamond shape on one side and a square on the other. Let's work on the square. Remember, this is called flip, so we have two flip. Take one, stand up like a wall, put your finger in, push it down, make sure the mountain line follow the inside, the center line, so you got the perfect little kind of diamond shape, K shape or something like that. Exactly the same thing on the other flip. Hold it here, fold the mountain down direct to the line. Back to the position, which is two flip on each side. Now if you want the peacock have more line, you can just repeat the same procedure one more time like this. But right now, let's stop it here. Make a simple one. This one we switch over. This little triangle flip, we flip all the way up. So it's flat right here. Close it like a bow, so you got half of the peacock. This is the peacock fan. We're not touching it right now. We have to create a head. Fold this line to the center, just like when we do for the crane. So it's like okay. I like to work this side up, the horizontal line up. Now if you use your finger to feel, see like here the center, that actually is the half of the crane, the peacock. I need you fold this little parts, follow that line to create a 90-degree over here. If you see it this way, see it's flat. Now once you got this line fold, make sure you got it really good, because we need to bed work again. In order to do that, I use my right hand to hold this, open up a little bit like flat like this. I use my left hand, close the tail, but bend this part up. In order to do that, this little part will automatically follow the line you just fold and go inward. So you got the 90-degree again. Now the tail's up. Now we had to use this little kind of like a bolt to create the head. You can do the same thing again, bend it up and follow the line backward. Now I usually would do it a little bit further because I want to create a base. This base will help the peacock to stand up. Once you get to this, you got two 90-degree. This is the head of the peacock, and you just create that little bib. Now you're done, and then you just have to open them. Open the tail. By open them, I usually just follow this line to give them a little bend down to help them stand up. So they can stand up nicely. So, yeah. Oops. Well, it doesn't stand up, but if you do it, it's supposed to be stand up like this. There you go.
Kathleen, you got about 3 more minutes. I went into your office and took the yoga mats, okay?